Today's first question. Which country's people are most intelligent? Singapore, Maldives, Canada, Russia. Correct answer is Singapore. Which animal's milk is pink? Monkey, hippo, horse, elephant. Correct answer is hippo. Which is the most precious metal in the world? Iridium, ruthenium, osmium, antimatter. Correct answer is antimatter. Which country's people uses mobile phone most? India, Japan, China, Russia. Correct answer is China. Which country's people wear glasses most? Switzerland, Norway, Cyprus, Finland. Correct answer is Switzerland. Which animal has horn on its nose? Crocodile, rhinoceros, bear, buffalo. Correct answer is rhinoceros. Which flower's weight is 10 kilograms? Jasmine, rafflesia, marigold, lotus. Correct answer is rafflesia. Which country has the largest gold mine? Canada, Australia, Russia, China. Correct answer is Australia. Which fruit helps to get sound sleep? Orange, apple, banana, mango. Correct answer is banana. Which country's company is Maggi? Canada, Poland, Switzerland, Sweden. Correct answer is Switzerland. Which country has the widest road? Belgium, Canada, Argentina, Russia. Correct answer is Canada.